My second message to people of Epe is that we thank God first for being alive till this day. So I say Alhamdulillah for all of us. Secondly, I advise all sons and daughters of Epe to embrace the spirit of Sallah. We call it Eid Kabir. They should embrace the spirit in it, the humbleness and the understanding that is in the spirit of the Sallah, to maintain peace and unity. Not to unity of purpose. We should maintain it. Then we should try and uphold the spirit and principle of the Sallah that we are celebrating today. Oneness of God and oneness of humanity should be abide by all sons and daughters of Epe, so that there won't be any acrimony, no disturbance during the Sallah. So I pray this should not be our last Sallah for many years to come, inshallah.